A scroll saw is a small electric saw used to cut intricate curves in wood and plastic. The fineness of the blade allows it to cut more delicately than a bandsaw or jigsaw and more easily than a hand coping saw or a fret saw. It's capable of creating curves with beveled edges by pivoting the cast aluminium table from 0 to 45 degrees. The scroll saw uses a reciprocating blade and the speed can be varied to suit the material and the project at hand. This scroll saw cuts wood and plastic up to 50 mm thick and it has a throat capacity of 405 mm, thus giving you plenty of clearance for those larger workpieces and projects at hand. It has a built-in dust blower and flexible light for that added cutting accuracy. At the base there is a vacuum port which will remove the dust buildup. On the top of the tool there is a built-in setting tool and jig for your plain blade setting. To isolate the saw to prevent any unwanted use or accident, remove the lockout pin on the switch. Scroll saws are popular for hobbyists and many woodworkers due to its accuracy and its versatility of uses, limited by one's own creativity. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.